Hi friends, welcome to the channel. Today we will see searching technique in the array. So searching is basically a method to find the target element from a given data structure. So here the data structure is array and we can perform searching by two methods. First is linear search and the second is binary search. In this lecture we will see what is linear search. So coming to the real life application of linear search, we can take an example like suppose we have a task that suppose some people or some student, we had asked them to write a paragraph on their hobby, and it is said that the word, a particular word like tree, should not come in that paragraph. So suppose some a student have submitted the paragraph, then we have to check if it has qualified our requirement or not. Then what we will do, we will check each word and compare it with tree. If it is tree, once if the any word is found to be tree, we will say that it is not satisfied. If till the end tree is not found, we will say that it is satisfied. So the same logic we will use in linear search here. So suppose our target is 55. What we have to do here is that we will be given an array and a target, and we have to check if this target element is present in this array or not. If it is present, we have to return the index where it is present in the array. And suppose if it is not present, then we have to say that it is not present in the array, or we have to return -1. So what we will do here, we will just iterate through the array and we will compare our target element from the each element of the array if it is equal to our target element. If not, we will check with the next element and compare it with the target element if it is equal. If not, again we will move. So we will iterate through the array till the element is not found. Once the element is found, like here, we will simply return the index. This is the desired result. So like implementation will be very simple. We will be just writing a for loop from the start index till the last index. Suppose it is the index is represented by I, it will start from 0 and it will go to last index, that is 9, and at each time we will check if the element of the array is equal to our target. At any point of time it is equal to our target, we will just return the index, that is I. If suppose this loop uh, terminates and we have checked till the last index, means our element is not present in that index, we will return -1, or we will print that element is not found based on the requirement of the question. So coming to the time complexity, first one is best case. In best case, suppose our target element is 3 or 9, then we have to just compare with first element, second element. If it is 3, we will just return it in one comparison. So the best case time complexity will be order of 1, like in one comparison or two comparison or three comparison, we can say that element is present. So when the target element is present on the first index or somewhere near to the first index, we can say it is the best case. That will form the best case with time complexity of order of 1. For worst case, we can say we have to traverse the entire array. Suppose the target is 90 or suppose the target is 100. In that case also we have to traverse the entire array. Then we have to do comparison for all the n element, and also if it is 75 then just n minus 1, or if it is 60 then we have to compare with n minus 2 element. So we can say worst case will be when the target element is present in the at last index or somewhere very near to the last index. So it will be, we have to do roughly n comparison, so it will be order of n. Coming to the average case, so our element will be found somewhere in the middle, so roughly around n by 2th index. So again it will be n by 2 or something near to the middle element, somewhere here or here. Again it will come to order of n. So this is the time complexity for linear search. We will now code it into the GFG and we will see. So here we are given an array and the size of the array is n and the target element is x here. So we need to find this x in the given array and we need to return the index if it is present, otherwise we have to return -1. So let's implement what we have studied. We just need to run a for loop from start till end of the array, and each time we have to just check if the element at the current index is equal to our target element. If it is present, then just return that index, otherwise if it is not present, then just return -1. That's it. Let's run the code. Yeah, let's submit it now. Yeah, so all the test cases has passed. So today we have seen linear search. In next class we will see binary search. Again we will follow the same pattern. We will first learn about the algorithm and then we will do the question. Thanks for watching.